So here we got the FC130i. It's a flux core machine, so strictly only flux core here. You don't need any gas or anything like that. You just kind of put your wire in and you go for it. We got two dials here. We got your voltage control right here. Bottom is your wire feed speed. That's the only two dials you have here. Once again, we have our chart up top. Kind of shows you everything you need to know. Alrighty, so now we're gonna get our wire going inside of our torch. So put the wire on first, then your spring, your nut, we're gonna cut this. Alright, so we're gonna feed this through. We're using 30 wire, so we're gonna use 30 drive roll. You want the 30 facing out when you put that in. You're going to put your cover back on. And we're going to feed it through. Okay, so that's feed it through here. I'm going to go ahead and plug the machine in. Okay, machine's plugged in now. Boot her up. And now she's feeding. And then you could, like I said, you can change your wire speed. So that would be fast, and then I'll show you slower. And then it takes a minute to feed all the way through the gun. Sometimes when you're feeding, it's easier. Take your contact tip out, feed it all the way through. Put your contact tip back in. Nozzle back on. And now you're good.